Is it possible to save money while creating better air quality and helping our planet? Yes, it's possible. You can save money and reduce your carbon footprint with some everyday actions. A carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide made by a person, organization, or state throughout a given amount of time. Over a relatively short period of time, the carbon footprints of each person have gotten progressively larger as the quality of living has gone up in many different countries all over the world. As these footprints become larger, the government of the United States has put in effect a few laws, such as the Clean Air Act. The government put these into place to help improve the air quality. This is a good step forward for the government, but many people think that it is not enough. According to the United Nations, on average, every American is responsible for 22 tons of carbon dioxide emissions every year. Many people believe that the government should be doing more, or should be finding more ways to reduce our carbon dioxide output, along with carbon dioxide emissions. More should be done with recycling. Tons of plastics are thrown into landfills every year, along with sauce jars and soup cans. All of this sounds like bad news, and like there's nothing we as individuals can do to help out. But it's just the opposite. There's so much everyone can do. Everyone knows about solar panels, hybrid cars, and wind power, which are all very helpful if you're millionaires and you want to splurge. But what about people that don't have a lot of money or don't own their own house? There are things that they can do too. One idea is when it's not being used, turn it off. Lights, computers, coffee makers, radios, TVs. Another idea, as stated on stopglobalwarming.org, if you replace 3 frequently used light bulbs with compact fluorescent light bulbs, it saves 300 pounds of carbon dioxide and $60 per year. Another idea is turning a thermostat in the house down 2 degrees in the winter and up 2 degrees in the summer. It saves about 2,000 pounds of carbon dioxide and $98 a year. Taking shorter showers is another idea. On average, it will save 350 pounds of carbon dioxide and $99 a year. There are so many ways to start helping the planet and reducing our carbon footprints, along with saving money. Clayton Sandstall said it best: almost everything you do affects your carbon footprint. Just because the government isn't doing enough doesn't mean that we as people in a population can't start reducing our own personal footprints. Taking shorter showers, carpooling, and fluorescent light bulbs are just a few of the great ideas.